Welcome aboard and thank you for traveling with JetSet. We kindly ask for your attention as we go over some information regarding your trip. This vehicle may be equipped with some premium amenities, such as complimentary Wi-Fi and 110-volt power outlets. All of our coaches are equipped with a restroom. Our seats recline for your comfort and convenience. You may recline your seat by holding down the black button located on the side of your seat while simultaneously pushing back on your seat rest firmly. When your seat back has reached a reclined position, release the black button. If you are sitting in a window seat, you may follow the same steps with a lever that is located in between the wall and your seat cushion. The restroom is located in the back of the bus. Please note that the bathroom light will automatically turn on once you lock the door. Should the restroom run out of toilet paper, please notify the driver for assistance. There is also a trash can located in the back of the bus, in front of the restroom. We ask that you please dispose of any trash you may have and leave your area clean before exiting the bus. To access our complimentary Wi-Fi, please find the network name JetSet Bus Wi-Fi, and there is no password. Once again, the network name is JetSet Bus Wi-Fi and there is no password. Keep in mind the Wi-Fi is shared with all passengers and should be used for light browsing, not video streaming. Wi-Fi service may be interrupted due to geographic location of the bus or weather conditions. So we ask for your patience and understanding during these times. Please be courteous to other passengers by silencing your cell phones now and using headphones for the duration of the trip. For the comfort of other passengers on the bus, playing music or videos on speakerphone as well as the use of cellular devices for phone calls is strictly prohibited. In cases of emergencies, brief phone calls are permitted. Power outlets are located underneath the front side of your seats in between both of the seat cushions. If you are sitting in the last 4 rows of the vehicle, they may be located on the wall or under the seats located in front of you. If you have any trouble locating these outlets or have any other questions, please let a JetSet team member know before the bus departs. The bus will be making several stops to pick up and drop off passengers. Please make sure that you listen carefully when the bus driver is announcing an upcoming stop over the speaker system. It is the passenger's responsibility to exit the bus at the correct location for which their reservation was made. Once you've exited the bus, please immediately proceed to collect your checked luggage from the driver. In order to keep our scheduled arrival times, we are unable to stop for any breaks. Any stops made are strictly for dropping off and picking up passengers. It is important that passengers remain in the bus until they reach their final destination. Please note that for the comfort of other passengers, hot foods, coffee, and large opening beverages are not permitted on board the bus. If you have brought food with you by mistake, we kindly ask that it remain closed in its container for the duration of the trip. To ensure high quality service and comfort, should the driver suspect that prohibited food is being consumed, the vehicle may be stopped to have the food removed from the bus and the event reported to our office. We are proud to say that our prices put us amongst the most economical methods of transportation between the Central and South Florida areas, more commonly referred to as Orlando and Miami. In order to maintain these low rates, we rely on having high volume of ticket sales on a daily basis. As you may know, we allow the privilege of booking reservations without paying in advance, as well as offering a very flexible and generous credit card refund policy. While we understand that unanticipated incidents may occur, every no-show reservation affects us in a significant way financially, as the seat remains empty and unsold for this trip. This may ultimately lead to higher ticket prices, more limited travel schedules, or revocation of these privileges and policies, so we kindly ask that you be cautious of this when reserving your trips. Our staff works tirelessly to ensure that JetSet Express offers industry-leading customer service at an affordable rate. If you are dissatisfied with the service you receive, please contact our office so we can provide assistance. If you enjoy traveling with us, we kindly ask that you leave us a review on Yelp, Google, or Facebook so that other travelers can learn about your experience with our services. Your kind words are what help JetSet Express continue to grow and improve every day for you. At JetSet, safety is our top priority. So as we begin our trip, we will be giving a brief safety presentation. Be sure all carry-on items are securely stowed in the overhead compartment or underneath the seat. Personal items should not be occupying the seat next to you or obstructing the aisle. While on board, we kindly ask that passengers have their seatbelts fastened. For everyone's safety, please remain seated for the duration of the trip and refrain from communicating with the driver. Safe operation of this vehicle requires the driver's full attention. If you must stand to use the restroom, please support yourself using the seat backs, hand grips, or overhead supports at all times. For your safety, please use hand supports in the restroom while the bus is in motion. Please note that smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes and the consumption of alcohol, is not permitted on any JetSet trip. In the unlikely event of an emergency, please promptly follow the direction of your driver. This motor coach is equipped with emergency exit windows and roof hatches for use during an emergency. Emergency windows and roof hatches are clearly marked. Please take a few moments to familiarize yourself with their locations and remember, they may be located behind you. To open the emergency exit windows, please pull down on the red handles located on the side of the windows and push out. To open roof hatches, follow the instructions on the hatch door. You will have to unlock the hatch and push open to exit. Did you know that JetSet also offers private charter bus rentals? This includes a variety of services for groups of all sizes that includes airport and port transfers, sightseeing tours, out-of-town charters, and family reunion trips around the state and nationwide. For more information regarding our charter services, please visit www.jetsetusa.com or call 407-649-6599. On behalf of everyone at JetSet, we want to thank you for your attention and we hope you enjoy your trip.